Hi and hello dear Cancer! Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan, returning Istam Buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. Kung hindi niyo pa alam my other channel, link down below sa ating description box. If interesado, click lamang yung link niya para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs. There, tuwing wala tayong gender dito. So, bali lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin po i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will. Like if you want to claim the messages at gawin itong guidance ninyo or not, it's up to you. So we're gonna take a look at your past life, Cancer. We do all know no, na may kinalaman ang past life natin no, sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa atin no, sa ating 3D life ngayon. So just take only what resonates no, and only pick up the messages na mag-resonate or kumokonek sa iyo. Cross-watchers ni Cancer, welcome ka rin. May Cancerian placement sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So let's go ahead and check these messages right in here. But first, pasalamatan muna natin Archangel Michael, Angel Guides. Thank you so much sa inyong presence sa reading ni Cancer. Can we get informations, details about their past life, please? Informations, details about Cancer's past life, please. Can you please show me any informations about Cancer's past life? Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages para sa'yo, Cancer. So guys, meron kayo ditong energy of temperance. You also have here the Five of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Prince of Swords, the Sorceress or the Empress, Transformation, Ten of Wands, para sa bottom of the deck, Seven of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Could be seeing a lot of number 7, okay, or 7 right in here. And with number 7, it looks like, no, meron kayo ditong wish, no, na maaring malapit ng mag-manifest, no, and it looks like it will happen first quarter of 2026, no. For some reason, it has something to do with your personal life, okay? So just take only what resonates. But here, I do see that whoever it is, no, na nakukuha natin mga energies, no, you are more likely someone who is like a teacher, could be a preacher, no, ninyo ritong past life, no. You are someone here who holds this type of energy, very calm. You only speak pag kailangan, no? And pinag-iisipan mo yung mga sinasabi mo at ginagawa mo. You are also someone here who is a very good advisor, no? Dito sa inyo ritong mga friends. Doesn't have to be that you are literally a teacher na nagtuturo dati, no? Sa iyong mga students, no? But maybe, yung iba sa inyo, ang profession nyo ngayon, you could be a teacher. Kakaiba yung pinapamalas mo rito, no? Na parang haba ng pasensya with the temperance right in here, no, kahit na okay, may mga energies na posibleng nagpo-provoke na ikaw ay magalit, no, ikaw ay mainis or whatsoever, you always choose, okay, na isipin ang iyong sasabihin at hindi magpadala sa kahit na anumang emosyon, lalo na kung ito ay pagkagalit, pagkainis, no, or any negative emotions. Wow, talagang kakaiba, no, yung patience na pinamalas ninyo. Maaari ngayon mga babes, no, sa inyong 3D world with the transformation, no, and there's this Ten of Wands, possible, no, na may energy kayo rito na you are someone na posibleng nagtiis, no, ng matagal sa inyo ritong partner. So I don't know, maybe you are already separated with that partner of yours. Maybe that is now your ex-lover or ex-person. Pero kakaiba yung pinamalas mong pagtitiis, no? May energy ka rin dito na hindi ka rito nagtanim ng sama ng loob sa kanya, no? Which is, yan pa rin yung kinikerry mo rito because you are the same clay, you are the same form way back then because this is your past life. You are a teacher, no? You are someone, no, na nirerespeto, mahaba ang pasensya at, yung iba hindi naman yung as in hindi na kayo nakakaramdam ng galit or whatever, it's just that you chose your words very carefully, 'yan. So, may gano'ng klase ng energy. Okay, sorry about that commercial mga babes 'no. Let's now go back dito sa ating pinag-uusapan 'no. And yun nga 'no, nakikita natin dito 'no, that you are someone here 'no, na nirerespeto ng nakararami 'no. Maybe talagang literal na teacher ang iyong profession or, iyo rito 'no, na trabaho dati. Pero ikaw yung nilalapitan talaga 'no, na parang advisor. Kasi dati may ganong propesyon, eh. Yung advisor ka, parang yung energy niyan yung ngayon kasi life coach tawag dun, 'di ba? So, parang dati ikaw yung takbuhan 'pag may problema kunwari 'no, yung parang energy na mataas yung iyong propesyon ta's ikaw yung hinihingan ng tulong na, "Ano bang dapat naming gawin para po ganito, ganyan, maayos po ang amin dito na relasyon or paano po ba dapat naming gawin para maging maganda yung aming kabuhayan." Parang ikaw yung nilalapitan 'no, kasi your words can enlighten, you have the power to guide, okey? Yung iba rito 'no, na iyo ritong nasasakupan or, mga kakilala mo 'no. So yung iba nakikita natin dito that you are very upright, you hold this type of balance in you and iba talaga yung messages mo. You are really born to help other people through your words. The way you communicate is definitely different level here. Cancer. Look at those birds, no? Those are birds na may crown. Ibig sabihin, you are the chosen one. The universe chose you. Yan, nakita niyo yung crown sa mga birds? The universe chose you, no, for this role. Yan. So, pag may mga lumalapit, hindi lang yung mga kaibigan at kakilala mo na pwedeng yung mga nasasakupan like mga kapitbahay mo dati 'no or whatsoever 'no, parang ikaw agad yung unang naiisip, ay hindi mo ba alam kung ano yung gagawin mo sa problema mo? Halika pumunta tayo dun kay Cancer kasi alam niya kung ano yung gagawin 'no, yeah. So you are someone here na I do pick up that is your profession, that is your, um, occupation or trabaho dati 'no. So I do see that these people here 'no ay someone na nakikita ka bilang kailangan nila, okay? You are, the type of person that they need, 'no, yun yung lumalabas dito. When it comes to your love life way back then 'no, hindi rin naging madali na matagpuan mo rito ang iyong true love 'no, sa kabila rito ng iyo rito 'no, na pagtulong sa iba, okay? Pagbibigay ng advice sa kanila ritong relasyon 'no, or sa kanilang kaugnayan rito sa ibang mga tao, koneksyon, pati na sa kanila ritong kabuhayan 'no, or whatsoever 'no, hindi rin naging madali na mahanap mo rito ang iyong true love. So, maaaring ngayon nagkakaroon ka rin ng encounters 'no, kung saan posibleng 'no, hindi mo pa nahahanap yung iyong the one, okay? But that doesn't mean that you're the one 'no, is wala or wala kang the one, pero meron, okay? Lumalabas that this person right in here is someone 'no, that you could be probably meeting, okay? Kapagka feel mo na tumatanda ka na or parang pawala ka na sa kalendaryo 'no, or puwedeng wala ka na sa kalendaryo or whatsoever 'no, but there's someone for you, okay? I do see transformations, okay? You could be meeting this person here early ng 2026, that's what I'm picking up 'no. And if not 'no, it could be, before, okay, mag-2027. So I do see that with the roses behind you, you do not see that romance is about to bloom in your life. So you do not see love coming because in your thoughts 'no, parang wala naman atang para sa'kin, pero meron, 'yan. So yung iba dumating na 'to sa life ninyo, okay, and you feel that kind of love, like this is it, this is the person here that I've been searching for all my life, then siya na yun 'no, and yung iba na wala pa 'to sa life ninyo, you are about to meet this person here early ng 2026 or if not 'no, before 2027 begins. So I do see that you are someone destined to meet your other half, okay? You could be twin flame, no, dito sa tao na 'to, and if not, you are definitely soulmates, okay? 777, meron kang wish rito na matutupad, no? As per the cards ay nire-reveal sa atin, energies ay tatapakan mo rito that you are someone here in receive mode. Magre-receive ka rito ng blessing, no, na lumalabas bilang wish mo. You could be seeing a lot of 777, angel number, no, which means you've manifested something, no, which is your heart's desire. Wow! And I do see, okay, that you are still someone doing this, no? Kahit hindi ka teacher ngayon, no? Pero ikaw yung hinahanap ng mga friends mo kasi ikaw yung matino magbigay ng advice. Ay, ayoko sa'yo, Mari. Doon ako pupunta kay Cancer kasi matino siya magbigay ng advice. Lahat ng ginawa ko na binigay niya advice sa akin, ako, talagang nawala yung problema ko, natulungan talaga ako. Naku, sige, dyan ka na, punta mo na ako kay Cancer. So, ibig sabihin ikaw yung hinahanap, no? Ikaw pa rin dito yung nilalapitan, no? So, your words are very powerful because you are someone who holds this role way back then. Para kang kagaya ng Hierophant. Okay? Para kang kagaya rito ng Hierophant. You are a preacher, you are someone here, no? Your words are very powerful, helps other people, no? Enlighten their paths. Yun yung nakikita natin dito. And with the Empress energy, yeah, ang Empress energy dito sa deck na to ay ang the Sorceress. So you are someone here, no, meant to take this pathway because you are the chosen one. So this is you, malakas rin yung pakiramdam mo, and at the same time, no, you are someone na hindi mo alam, okay, na powerful ka. Because yung mga energies rito, no, ng mga people na natutulungan mo rito, no, nakikita ko rito that they are bringing you, okay, itong mga blessings, no, sa iyong life, no. That's why you are attracting here opportunities, and magugulat ka, saan ba galing 'tong opportunities na 'to, ba't may ganito dito? Pero sige, thank you universe, yan, no. Pero yun kasi yung lahat ng mga natulungan mo because of your words, because of how you communicate, yan. Wow! So, Cancer, ito pala ang past lives mo dito. And yes, no, meron kang love life dito and it's already OTW. Hello! November na, no? Kaya kung hindi mo pa nami-meet itong the one na 'to, pero iba na-meet niyo na, ha? Kung di niyo pa nami-meet, hello, konting kimbot na lang mga mahal, 'no? So yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you, Cancer. This is your past life here. Just take only what resonates. It's such a privilege to unlock your past life. Again, I'm Yuriana on Sarang Heya Love and Light. Annyeong!